Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all the tips and tricks on how to organize a vanity. Don't forget to subscribe. I got these drawer organizers on Amazon. I will link them in the description, but I'm going to be organizing my foundations and primers together. Now I'm going to be organizing my mascara, concealer, and brow products, liquid eyeshadows, and highlighters together in an acrylic organizer I got from TJ Maxx. I'm going to be organizing my compact makeup products in an acrylic organizer I also got from TJ Maxx. Also, another way more budget friendly, I'm going to be placing this grippy paper down in the drawer and placing all my compacts on it. The grippy stuff holds everything, so you don't have to worry about everything moving when you shut the drawer. Now I'm going to start by dividing my face sheet mask into categories like hydrating, brightening, and so on. I have a metal eyeshadow organizer that I'm going to flip on its side and put each category of sheet mask in a separate divider. Now I have a plastic organizer with dividers that I'm going to be putting moisturizer, hair care products, and makeup removers in. I'm going to be taking my face mask and larger products and laying them in the empty place in my drawer. As you can see, I laid them on their sides and in different directions. This helps hold the products in the row and also looks organized and not thrown everywhere. Now I have a male organizer I got from TJ Maxx that I'm going to be turning into a palette organizer. I'm going to be putting my eyelashes on this cute decorative plate I got from TJ Maxx. This organizes the lashes, plus it looks super cute. I have another cute decorative tray I'm going to be using for my setting sprays. Now I'm going to be organizing my lipsticks in this cute lipstick holder I got on Amazon. I will link that in the description as well. I will be organizing my beauty blenders in an organizer from Impressions Vanity for beauty blenders. I'm placing my brushes in holders from Ray Dunn. Now I'm going to place some of my favorite makeup in the top drawers for decoration. If you have a lot of sunglasses like me, this is perfect. I used some grippy paper from earlier and placed the sunglasses on it. I'm going to be placing all my nail polish on these nail polish shelves I got from TJ Maxx. Now I'm going to be cleaning all the glass in the mirror.